Hello everyone and welcome to Getting Started with Resdent, a tutorial by Good Sleep Co. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up an account, create clinics and patient records, and submit orders through the platform. To begin, open a browser window and in the search bar, enter app.resdentapp.com/login. This will bring you directly to Resdent's login page, so I recommend you bookmark or favorite this window for future reference. To create a Resdent account, select the phrase Create an Account. This will redirect you to our account registration page, where you will be required to fill out the form and read and accept our terms of service before continuing. Once you have successfully created a Resdent account, return to the login page, enter your new login credentials in the fields provided, and select the Login button. Now, the first thing you'll need to do once you've logged in is create a clinic profile by selecting the Clinics tab on the left navigation bar. A clinic profile is essentially a digital storage location for your practice, where patient records and orders are organized according to each location's preferences. This is especially important in the case where you may have multiple locations with different shipping addresses. So be sure to register each location that you intend to submit and receive orders for. To create a clinic profile, select the Create Clinic button at the top right of your screen and fill in the following form. If you intend to register multiple locations in Resdent, under the Name field, please include the name of the practice, followed by space, city or location name, such as GSC-CO or GSC-East. As you fill in the rest of the form, under Currency, select United States dollar. Additionally, while we understand that some facilities may have joint functions, until further notice, please select Dentist under the Clinic Type field, so you access the correct form during the ordering process. Once ready, select the Create Clinic button. This adds the clinic profile to your clinic's manager, where you can select, edit, and invite team members to your clinic. To invite a team member to your clinic profile, select the pink Team Members button under the clinic profile. This opens the Team Members Manager, where you can enter the team member's email address and select their role to send them a 24-hour live access link. If, for any reason, you want to remove a team member's access to a clinic profile, simply open the Team Members Manager and select the Remove Invite option. Next, let's create a patient profile by selecting the Patients tab on the navigation bar. A patient profile is an electronic record that stores your patient's information, including name, email, and date of birth, as well as any orders you submit on behalf of that patient. To create a patient profile, select the Create Patient button at the top right of your screen and fill in the following form. If you do not wish to provide the patient's actual email address or date of birth, simply enter dummy information instead, such as gscemail01@gmail.com and a random birth date. Once finished, select the Create Patient button. This adds the patient profile to your patient's manager and connects it with the current clinic selected in your clinic's manager. If you have multiple locations registered in Resdent, be sure to double check which clinic is selected before creating a patient profile or order. And finally, let's create an order by selecting the Lab Cases tab on the navigation bar. This opens your order manager, where you can view, manage, and track your orders. To create an order, select the Create Lab Case button at the top right of your screen. Now you have two options here for selecting a patient to submit the order for. One, creating a new patient profile using the switch if one does not already exist, or two, use the drop-down menu to select the patient profile that does exist. We recommend using the drop-down method to avoid creating duplicate patient profiles. Once you have the patient profile selected, the rest of the form will populate. As you complete the order form, please note any option defaults and disregard the morning alignment section, as we are still making changes to this form. Under Impression Type, you have two options. One, a direct from scanner portal, and two, intraoral scanner. If you select direct from scanner portal, you will be prompted to select which scanner portal you use for the drop-down menu. If your scanner is not listed, select intraoral scanner instead. If you select intraoral scanner, you will be prompted to upload your patient's scans directly into the form, either as STL files or as a comprehensive zip file labeled with the patient's name. Failure to upload scans before order submission when intraoral scanner is selected will result in an inquiry from Good Sleep Co. customer care and may result in delays in production until scans are received. In the Notes section, we ask that you provide any additional information in regards to the order, including distal wrapping, blocking modifications, or fragile teeth and crowns that may impact the production process. The due date listed at the bottom of the form indicates an estimated ETA of the order's arrival, in which our turnaround time is approximately 17 to 19 days. Once ready to proceed, select the Submit Lab Case button. This will add your order to the queue and make it available for you to view in the Order Manager. The status column reflects the live tracking updates as your order moves through production. And once an order has been shipped, the status column will display an On the Way tag, and an additional column will become available with the order's tracking number. If, for any reason, you need to change the account information, including name, email, or password, you can do so in the My Account tab in the navigation bar. To log out of Resdent, select the Logout option in the navigation bar, and you will be redirected to our login page. Thanks for watching this tutorial by Good Sleep Co. And if you have any questions or need technical assistance, feel free to contact customer care via email at info@goodsleepco.health or via phone at 561-288-1800. We're always happy to help.